Welcome back to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic Best Car Fixes. We are talking about the Toyota RAV4 four-wheel drive. The computer pin was being fixed. We put it on. Now we are communicating with the car. Everything is okay. I'm going to show you how the communication and everything is good. Also, we need to go to the airbag or the occupant sensor to see what code we have it there and what is the way of reset that code. So here is the car. Here's the car here now. You see there's all the module, all the sensors, the gauge are working fine. The tire pressure monitor, we have some code for that. Maybe they changed the rim. That's a totally different items. But other than that, I don't see anything. So let's go now to see what we have on the airbag or SRS module. I'm here now. We're gonna go in. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask. I will go to Maxis. I will go to Diagnose. Remember, before we have a code for security system. I don't believe we're gonna get that one here. Hold on 1 minute, please. Okay, let's go now and check the car. You go keys on, diagnose, and now when it beep, that means it's okay. There is a software download update. Maybe I have it in already, but there is a subscription also for this every year. Since I have this one, I have 1 year. Maybe you cannot update it unless you pay the subscription. So I'm gonna go check this car by VIN. Before, we are not able to communicate with this car at all. Now you see, he asked me, is this Cycon or Toyota? Cycon also a part of Toyota company. I will say accept. Now we're gonna see if we can get the VIN number. Yes, I see VIN number come right away. Beautiful. You remember before on the first video, we're getting code for security. Okay, 2006. Is this two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive? I believe this is four-wheel drive because we have this button here for lock and unlock. You see here, as soon as I push it in, it come up. I believe 4x4. Okay, now it's off. I'm gonna say four-wheel drive. Model RAV4, area North America, model code GSA, model year 2006, engine type G2GR-FE, drive type four-wheel drive, and this is the VIN number. I'm gonna say okay, yes. If you say no, it will take you away. Now we're communicating with the car. As usual, I just want to go to the engine to see if there is any code concerning the immobilizer, which this car doesn't have immobilizer. Diagnose, control unit, engine. That's what the engine control. Trouble code. I don't have nothing. If you put the other computer we get from the junkyard, we will get a code for security, which is another. You fix the problem, but you have another problem. This problem is fixed, so I'm gonna go escape this one here. You know where we're gonna go? To the airbag. Hold on. Okay, now I'm gonna go through. I'm gonna check this one here. Trouble code on airbag. You say B65 is now. It's an occupant classification system fault. There is a module here, computer here, it's no good. And also the same code was history. Those code maybe you will not be able to clear it because still they look at it from the other side. As long as that thing, the other side is no good, the occupant classification, you see, it may not go clear, but as soon as you start the car, it will come back because the light is still on. You see the airbag light is still on. and it may come back again if you read, because or in 2 cycle it will look at it and say, look, you know what, my occupant classification, you see, they come back. P1650, P1650, BB as in boy, sorry. So those codes, what we're gonna do, simple. Let's go back to occupant. We are going together to visit occupant. If it's there, if it's not there, we have to look for a way to get it. Here, occupant, here. Occupant detection is who is there on the seat. We try to look. So this controls the occupant detection sensor. Okay. There is a sensor here that it control or detect who is there. So let me read the trouble code. 1650 there. Here, what is there? Maybe it's not there at all. Maybe it's messed up. Anything there? Oh, you say occupant classification sensor left front collision detect need to be perform 0-point calibration. As soon as the accident happened, the seat maybe move a little bit, and then you have to recalibrate it again. So we have B1785, 1786. Also, he say occupant classification sensor right front collision detect need to perform 0-point calibration. That means when the accident happened in the front, whether it's right front or left front, they send a signal and they need to be set up. Hold on, please. Give me 1 minute. I want to talk to one guy. Now, you see here 1785, 1785, 1786. That means we only have 2 codes. But 2 are history and 2 are history and 2 are current. But the same thing. So what we're going to do here, you cannot clear this code. Go back, go to special function, down, you see here it says 0 calibration. Click OK. Use this function after replacing the occupant classification ECU or replacing the passenger seat, or exchange the occupant classification sensor in case of collision. Okay, I gotta click yes, okay. Now, this function serves to calibrate the occupant classification ECU. Any component on the occupancy classification system have been replaced, including the seat. When DTC B1785, 1786, 1787, 1788. Those are the codes that have to be detected. If those codes are detected, you must do it. So now, what do you need to do? First, move the seat all the way to the front. You know, click here, go with the seat all the way to the front, and this have to go all the way to the situation like you see it now. And then let's go. Confirm the follow. The ignition is on, the engine is not running. So you must do it. You see now the engine is running. So don't do that with the engine running. Turn the key off, again on, but do not start the car. We wait a little bit, and then let's see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna start next. Confirm that the condition below for the passenger seat. Slide the position maximum rear. Recline position maximum upright, hard set maximum down, lifter maximum down, nothing in the place. Recline the position maximum upright, slide position maximum rear. So I brought it front, so I gotta go back. Okay, everything back. This one here, this one like that. Everything is good. You're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what do you need to get? Next. I want to see the light that can happen to it. That's the airbag light. No, now calibrating. It says calibrating now. Okay. The light stays there, but it says calibration is complete. Okay. Check sensibility. How sensitive it is. In case of the collision, when there is an accident, see the sensibility. This function information, weight display, ability to weight value change. Next. Ignition on, engine is not running. Nothing placed on the car, nothing placed on the seat. I'm gonna move this paper also. This is nothing, but I just move it. Next, use 66 pound to ensure accuracy. You know what? I'm not gonna put this one here because it's gonna give you hard time. You can send somebody to sit on it. Okay, let me see what you need. I just push my hand. Sensor reading should be 7 to 7 pound. Okay. When nothing is there, you say when nothing is there, -7. When nothing is there, -7 to 45. I say yes. So let me see what is there gonna be. Place 66 kilo. Sensor should read 59 to 73. Okay, I'm gonna sit on it. Let me see if I can sit on it or do anything. That's the sensibility check. I don't need to do that, but let me see. You have to have some kind of weight to put on it. Let me come back. So if you're working on airbags, I don't need to go through this, but I just try to give you some information about what you need to do when you're working on airbags. Let me see. I push my hand this. I have, you say 30 kilo. 30 kilo. You say 59 to 73. That's enough. Don't put too much. I'm gonna put my load. 60 is good. I click next. Sensitivity complete. You see? It's good now. So I just lean on it a little bit and everything is good. Now let me go clear the codes. Escape it here now. I gotta go back. Trouble code. No code detected. Go back to the airbag. Okay. Trouble code. History and current, clear it. Let me see, I'm gonna clear that one to see if the airbag gonna go away. Ignition off, yes. Yes. The airbag is gone. I don't have no airbag light. No codes. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please subscribe and share and see you in another video. Thank you.